Hi everyone! Welcome sa aking channel. For this video series ay ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-solve ng mga related rates problems. Before we continue, please like, follow, and subscribe to my social media accounts. Ito naman yung ating example number 3 or problem number 3 ng ating solving related rates problem. So basically, ito is about a ladder or hagdan na nakalin sa wall, then unti-unti siyang dadaos-dos or bababa. So, ang sabi ng example number 3 is, a ladder 12 meters long is leaning against the wall of a building. The bottom of the ladder is sliding away from the wall at the rate of 1.5 meters per second. The question is, how fast is the top of the ladder sliding down when it is 3 meters above the ground? Okay? So for this kind of problem, dapat makapag-create muna tayo ng illustration para makita natin kung ano bang geometrical figure yung mabubuo, and in that way malalaman natin kung anong equation ba ang ating gagamitin for the related rates. So itong kanyang illustration. So something like this. Ito yung ating ladder, 12 meters long. Tapos ito yung ating wall. So nakasandig yung ating hagdanan sa wall. Then ito yung ground kung saan nakatayo yung ating ladder. So sabi sa ating problem, so yung ating ladder, umuusod siya, yung bottom niya umuusod siya, papalayo. Kaya sliding away, so ibig sabihin, yung ground natin, yung distance sa ground, nag-i-increase siya, sliding away ng 1.5 meters per second. And then, ang tinatanong dyan is, paano naman mag-i-increase or magdi-decrease itong top ng ladder? So basically, bababa siya, so sliding down. So, ito yung step-by-step procedure natin. Yan. So, step number 1 is define the variables and the unknown quantity. So, makikita nyo sa ating illustration, nilagyan natin siya ng mga variables. Ang una nating nilagay dyan is, of course, yung distance ng ating ground is the x variable. Tapos question mark kasi later on kailangan makuha natin yung value niya. Then, pangalawa is yung distance sa wall ng top of the ladder. So that is y, which is 3 meters. And then yung sukat ng ating ladder or hagdan. So that is 12 meters long. Nirepresent natin siya as z. And then for the unknown quantity, so dahil given tayo ng rate of increase ng ating x value, so siya ay dx over dt, which is 1.5 meters per second. And then, ang kailangan nating kuning rate ay yung sliding down rate ng y. So, that is dy over dt. So, ang sasolve natin ay value ng x, then the value of the sliding down rate nung top of the ladder. So, the next step is step number 2. So, we're going to determine the formula relating the variables, then do implicit differentiation with respect to time or t. So, ito yung ating na-form na illustration. As you can see, nag-form tayo ng triangle. So, we all know na ang formula ng triangle for their distances is the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So, ang a squared natin dyan, or ang a distance natin dyan ay, or side is yung x. Then, ang b side ay yung y. Then, yung ating hypotenuse is yung z. Ayan. So, x squared plus y squared is equal to z squared. Now, dito rin sa step number 2, isasolve na rin natin yung value ng x kung ang y ay 3 meters at ang z ay 12 meters. So, isubstitute natin siya. So we have x squared plus 3 squared is equal to 12 squared. So ang 3 squared magiging 9, ang 12 squared ay 144. So i-transfer natin or i-transpose natin yung 9, magiging 144 minus 9 is equal to x squared. Ayan. Then x squared is equal to 135. Take the square root of both sides. So ang ating value ng x is square root of 135 meters. Then, saka tayo magpo-proceed sa ating implicit differentiation. So, balikan ulit natin yung nakuha natin na formula. So, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to z squared. So, we're going to do the implicit differentiation with respect to time. So, wala namang time dito sa ating equation. So, kung i-differentiate natin ng x, magkakaroon siya ng dx over dt. Ang y magkakaroon ng dy over dt. At yung z natin, since constant yung ladder natin, yung measurement niya is constant, pag kinuhanan natin siya ng derivative, 0 siya. So, ang derivative ng x squared ay 2x dx over dt. Then, ang derivative ng 2y ay ng y squared rather is 2y dy over dt. And then, ang derivative ng z squared, since constant measurement siya ng ladder, it is 0. Now, kung mapapansin natin, parehas namang 2 yung coefficient ng x and y. So, pwede na natin siyang ma-divide. So, pwedeng ang matira na lang sa implicit differentiation natin is x times dx over dt plus y times dy over dt is equal to 0. So, dahil meron na tayo implicit differentiation, proceed na tayo sa step number 3 na kung saan isa-substitute natin yung value ng x, which is square root of 135 meters. Yung y natin is 3 meters. At yung dx over dt is 1.5 meters per second. So, i-substitute natin siya rather sa ating nakuha sa implicit differentiation. So, on this part, ang i-substitute natin ay x at saka dx over dt. So, that is square root of 135 meters times 1.5 meters per second. So, sa part naman nito, ang isa-substitute lang natin ay yung y value na 3 meters. Then, unknown pa rin yung dy over dt kasi yun yung ating isosolve. So, we have the square root of 135 meters times 1.5 meters per second plus 3 meters dy over dt is equal to 0. Then, ito ay i-transpose natin sa kabila, magiging negative. So, next solution natin is 3 meters dy over dt is equal to negative square root of 135 meters times 1.5 meters per second. Then, to isolate yung ating dy over dt, i-divide natin siya both sides by 3 meters. So, ito ay 3 meters divided by 3 meters. Ang matitira na lang ay dy over dt. And then dito, ang kanyang magiging resulta ay yung magiging sagot sa negative square root of 135 times 1.5 all over 3. So, the answer is dy over dt natin is approximately negative 5.809 meter per second. And that is the sliding down rate ng top ng ating ladder. Therefore, the top of the ladder is sliding down at a rate of 5.809 meter per second. So, hindi na natin nilagyan ng negative ito kasi binanggit na natin na sliding down. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and share. Then, pakipollow na rin po ako sa aking mga social media accounts. Thank you!